Good morning. Happy Labor Day. Hope everybody's doing well. I get asked this question a lot about warranty work. What is warranty and where do you have to get it repaired? If you have a new car, the warranty is provided so you can take your car to the dealer and get it fixed. Under obligation, they have to fix it, but they can still deny your warranty if they feel that you're at fault. Say, for instance, you didn't follow the warranty contract, if it's aftermarket, or you neglected the item or anything like that. If they find out you're at fault, I'm not going to go through all that BS to find out if you're at fault or not. Most of the warranty stuff I deal with is manufacturer defect. But where do you get it taken to? You take it to your dealer, and most dealers, you have to be certified in a certain section to perform that warranty work. If the dealer does not have a technician that is certified in that warranty work, it will have to be taken to a specialized person or a dealership that does have that. And I actually have a screenshot from Ford's website, excuse me, where they're actually stating that. And also what will void your warranty on your vehicle. So, without further ado, I'll pop that up on the screen for you so you can see from their words that you take it to the dealer. The dealer, it has to be performed at an authorized dealer. If they do not have a technician to work on it, then it will be taken to a specialized. All right, so here that is for you. All right, so you saw there that it's going to be taken to the dealer, and if they can't fix it, they're not specialized in that area, then they will send it to a specialized person or technician to fix it. Now, what is not covered under warranty? Now, this is going to vary based on what kind of car you have and what happened. So you're going to have to read over your warranty guide. But the basic gist of it is what not's covered, excuse me, what is not covered is damage resulting when some conditions occur. Notice I said some. Accident, collision, object striking the vehicle. Theft, vandalism, riot. Fire, explosion, excuse me. Contaminated, improper fuel. Driving through deep water, allowing water to be ingested into the intake. That's a big no-no. Improper maintenance. I said that earlier. Caused by the environment. Stone chips or scratches, dings or dents, road salt, tree sap, lightning, hail, or windstorm. I actually did have one when I lived in Texas. A F-150 got struck by lightning. They did cover it under warranty. Earthquake, freezing, water, or flood. Alterations or modifications, tampering, install or use of non-manufacturer parts, in this case Ford, or software, such as oversized tires, alarms, or automatic start if it is not already equipped with it. Maintenance and wear items, oil changes, oil, lube, other fluids, tune-ups, tire rotations or inflations, wiper blades, brake linings. Those are usually covered to about 12,000 miles, if I'm not mistaken. And cleaning and polishing. And I'll throw a screenshot of that. That's directly from Ford's website, and it says at the bottom, some conditions may vary. See your Ford warranty for further details. Well, with all that being said, I hope that answers your question. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a safe Labor Day weekend, and everybody make it home safe. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next one.